Adam here from the Walser Automotive Group, and what I want to do today is cover Nissan's new safety system. That's going to be Nissan ProPilot Assist 2.1. So we'll cover some of the great safety features, some of the benefits of it, and then we'll do a real-world experience and see how it works out on the road. So now we're behind the wheel of the 2025 Nissan Rogue. Now ProPilot Assist 2.1 will come currently on the SL as well as the Platinum model as an option. So let's dive into it. We'll get here on the highway and see how it works. So in the 2025 Nissan Rogue SL, this one will have the heads-up display. Now what's important about the heads-up display is it gives you all of that pertinent information, whether that's your speed limit sign or how the adaptive cruise control system will be working. Now, there is ProPilot Assist 2.0. Now what that is, it's a full hands-on driving style, where 2.1 now goes to a hands-free driving style. So we'll demonstrate that here as we hop out onto the highway. So what I like about this system is the ability of how easy it is to use. Now there is also a lane change assist feature. So what's kind of funny is if you're lingering too long in the left lane, the Nissan Rogue will suggest moving back over to the right, which I can kind of appreciate as the left lane might be for speedier drivers. But now as we're merging here out onto the highway, the first thing you can do is press the blue button here for the ProPilot Assist system. So when we have that system on, you'll notice on our digital gauge cluster here that the ProPilot has forward collision, blind spot monitoring, as well as lane departure warning. And then it will give you a little notice at the bottom here, clicking the set button to activate ProPilot Assist. So if I click that, you'll notice the entire screen will light up green. As well, it has to make sure it can notice that there's lanes. If it's too salty, maybe during the winter time, or it's not picking up the correct lanes, it may notify you of that. But for now, we're going to set our speed limit here. So the speed limit on this road is 70 miles an hour. So we'll go ahead and set this to 70 miles per hour. And now you'll notice the green steering wheel. So at that point, that's suggesting that you can take your hands off of the wheel. Now at any time, if the system senses that it's in danger or it needs you to step in, you'll see it'll go red to warning. Putting your hands back on the wheel, it will return back to green. Now what's really cool is there is a traffic recognition, so it can actually see the cars going by me on the side. So this system can even change lanes for you with the assist of that, or you can still do it with your hands on the wheel, keeping the system intact. Now what else is great with the adaptive cruise, you can set a 3, 2, or 1 car length distance in front of you. Depending on where you want to be in traffic or not, if it's stop and go traffic, the Nissan Rogue will actually come to a complete stop and then continue driving again. Some other things that are really cool with this Nissan ProPilot 2.1 system is the 360 view camera. Not only can you have a blind hood, so it looks like the hood's not even on the vehicle, you can look to the left, the right, behind, and front, side to side. There's a ton of different ways to look through the 360 camera, which makes it really safe if you're backing up. Maybe the kids left something in the driveway. It's a really convenient feature. Now this vehicle function can work at highway speeds, it can work on city streets, but what's great about the Nissan safety features is that no matter how fast you're going, those are still going to be there and functioning. Even if you don't have the ProPilot system activated, you are still getting all the safety features through the Nissan Rogue. Things like blind spot monitoring or the emergency braking are still going to be activated unless you go into the system to turn those off. So not only is the Nissan Rogue a very safe vehicle, Nissan ProPilot 2.1 just adds that next level of safety for obviously if you and your family are going to be in the vehicle, it will be very safe and it can make it very easy to eat up a lot of miles on the road. Now that was just a quick look at Nissan's ProPilot Assist 2.1. If you have any additional questions or you'd like a tutorial from us, feel free to stop by any one of our Nissan locations. We would be more than happy to help. Thanks again for watching.